Welcome to real life cooking, guys. The good, the bad, and sometimes you question life choices we want to make. Anyway, so what it's all about, this channel. This, that, and the other. As you see, is as you get. You know what I mean? So if you want to see real life stuff instead of stuff from the BBC, you know what I mean? Give us a subscribe, guys. Now, today, we're going to be doing pork belly, jerk chicken in the air fryer. Lovely. Should be nice and simple, this, guys. I'm going to get this stuff marinated for half an hour before we get it in the air fryer. So let me show you what we're going to do. Yeah, there's no flutes and whistles on this channel, guys. What you see is what you get. So, pork bellies. Got these from Tesco. £4, 10p, if I can remember. I got myself some jerk seasoning, some lazy garlic, some pineapple slices. I'm going to have a bit of honey because I'm going to make it absolutely delicious. I'm going to get a bit of a lemon and some oil. That's it. Nice and simple. First things first, get yourself in a bowl, get your pork bellies. Yeah, I mean, you've been on the channel a while. You see some of the mistakes. You know what I mean? I do make quite a few mistakes. Words and everything, guys. But who cares, eh? It's real life. That's the point of this channel. Let's get all these out. We'll pass them all dry. And the last one. There we go. We're going to get a couple of tablespoons, I think, of jerk seasoning mixing. I might even put 3 in because I want an extra flavour. Put it whatever jerk seasoning mix you got, or make your own, or whatever. I got this from Warsaw. Was it Warsaw I got? No, I got this from Birmingham, didn't I? From the Jamaican shop. So I got that from. We're going to put a tablespoon of garlic in. I'm going to put a little bit of juice off the old peach slices, guys. We're going to fry these peach slices up, by the way. I want some lemon. Squeeze a lemon. I haven't got any yoghurt, so you could have put a bit of yoghurt in there, I suppose. So we're going to have a bit of oil. And I'm going to have some honey. I'm having honey because to make it lovely and sweet as well. About a tablespoon of honey. There we go. Give it all a good mix together. I'll take my ring off. And we're going to leave this, guys, to marinade. As long as the better, ain't it, really? But I can do about half an hour, I suppose, something like that. Right, we've been about half an hour, guys. I'm going to use my air fry grill today. I haven't used this for a while. So we're going to be using that. So first things first, I want to get it warmed up. I want it on, I'm going to put it on 180 degrees. I'm going to cook it a little bit longer. I'm going to put it on for 30 minutes, guys. It ain't going to take that long, but I'm going to turn it halfway through. And I decided what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a bit more jerk seasoning. Put it in there once all that's gone in. And then as I go along, I'm just going to baste it. You know what I mean? To get the more flavours. So let's get that warmed up. Warmed up. Let's get a bit of oil in on the old grill. Just to stop it sticking, guys. And let's get the good old pork bellies in. I'll probably have to do this in batches. Do love a pork belly, me, though. I do love a pork belly. Get one more in, guys. There we go. We'll fry them up until they're done. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to get all this juice out of here. Actually, I'll get the old pork bellies in there. Like so. And we've got a little bit there we'll use as a glaze. With a little bit more jerk seasoning and a little bit more honey. Look at all the honey you're using, Keith. Get them flavours in there, guys. Get them flavours, man. Let's give that a mix. And what I'm going to do is probably every 5 minutes, I'll get a little coat. Okay, that's been in, what, 7 minutes so far, guys? And it's looking nice. I'm just going to get a bit of a baste. And I'm going to do that, guys, on both sides when I turn it over. And then I'm going to do the other lot. Okay, guys, let's have a look. It smells delicious. I've just been basting. Oh, yes. Look at them beauties. They are done. That looks the best one. Don't it look? Right, I'm going to get them out, guys, and I'm going to get the second batch in, and then we're going to go on to the pineapple. Okay, guys, on to the pineapple. I got my pan warming up. Pineapple juice. And get some pineapples in. Oh, instead of dropping them all on your old stove. Going to do them nice and slow with a little bit of brown sugar. You don't need the brown sugar, but I find a lot better with the brown sugar. I think Anna likes she likes a few pineapples and that, so I'll do a few. There we go. Drop of brown sugar, and we're just going to caramelise them all up and turn them over and do the stuff. The other stuff's got about 15 minutes to go. I'm just basting it as I turn. There we go. That'll do us. And let's get all these tasting delicious. Oh yes, guys. Oh yes. Lovely. All done. Let's get them out. And it's time to dish up. Oh, look at them. Oh, yes. Right, we'll get all these on a plate, just so I can show you. They're smelling delicious. I say, obviously, we've had 2 packets. You don't need to have 2 packets, do you? Depends how greedy you are, guys, and how many you're feeding, to be honest with you, as well. Get these ones on here. And we'll get that bit of sauce over the top. And our pineapples are there. Right, let's show you then. We've got some salad, just bag salad this is, from Aldi. We'll get some of that on there like that. We'll get some pork belly on the side. We'll get a couple of pineapples, guys. And you can't beat a bit of, which I never showed you, because I've done it loads of times on the channel, homemade coleslaw. Oh, yeah. Some of that on there. My homemade coleslaw. Nat loves my homemade coleslaw, guys. So there we go. Let's bring you round. What do we reckon then? It looks delicious, doesn't it? Oh, yes. And there's them, look. It's a is it, Bab? It's a oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Looks well nice.
What do you reckon?
It smells delicious. It smells amazing.
Jerk pork, eh? Bit of jerk pork. Go on, Bab, you go first, sweetheart.
It's making my mouth water.
Nat picked this, by the way. She says, can we have something simple for tea? And I said, what do you want? I said, pork belly, jerk pork belly. So, jerk pork belly. Good choice, Bab. What do you reckon?
That's
nice. Loads of flavour.
Oh, God, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. You're not going to...
I say you want to make one and you want to make it chilly, you just put some Scotch bonnet in that, you chop it all up and that stuff, but ain't doing that, guys, not us.
Oh, that's delicious, sweetheart.
You want some of my fat? I don't mean that bit. Oh, you're not having any of me fat. I'm sorry to say.
Don't matter.
Oh, yeah.
That's delicious.
That is bang on. I say, if you're new, subscribe, guys. Realist channel on YouTube. You see all the mistakes and everything. Not like the baby say. Is it bad?
No, that's amazing. That's delicious. I'm sorry, but that's really, really nice.
Oh, wow. Try the pineapple.
Your coleslaw's nice as well. I love your
I
coleslaw.
made, yeah.
Yeah, I love
I think
coleslaw.
so that. Pineapple's delicious. Yeah. Nice and sweet. I didn't show the coleslaw, guys. I've done it loads of times, haven't I? All it is some 1 carrot, bit of cabbage, an onion, squeeze of lemon, some mayonnaise, and some salad cream with some pepper in. That's it, and it's delicious.
That's really nice.
Good idea, Bab. Good idea, this today. There's loads of meat still left, which will be good. Oh, wow.
Them pork bellies just go just right with this jerk chick, with this jerk seasoning.
Bang on in it. I basted it every 5 minutes. Just kept basting it. Oh. Guys, get yourself some jerk seasoning and do that. Honestly, it's absolutely delicious. So, until the next time, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Gotta go because my battery's running out. See you later. Yeah.
Yeah. It's an oh yeah.
Is it an oh yeah?
Yeah, it's an oh
It's
yeah.
an oh yeah, this one. Oh, a bit of everything before we go.
That's amazing.
Pineapple. Bit of everything. Get it all on there. Oh.